Welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video we have completed 8 steps of asset accounting configuration. Today we will continue the asset accounting configuration and we will start with step 9, that is assign GL accounts under the T code A090. Before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my coming videos. So now let's start with step 9, that is assign GL account under the T code A090. In this step we assign the GL with account determination code created for a particular asset class. In this step, we assign those GL which we have created in a previous video for the particular asset class. Like we have created the GLs for building. For the asset class, we have created the asset class for building and we have created all the GLs, required GLs for a building. So in this step, we assign those GLs which we have created with our asset class. So let's go to SAP screen and do practical so that it will more clear. Here you can run the T code directly, or I'll show you the path. Run the T code SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Then financial accounting new. Asset accounting. Now this third one, integration with GL accounting. Click on it. In this you will get the option assign GL accounts. This one. So execute it. Here, first of all, we need to give a chart of depreciation which we have created in our previous videos for our asset class. So, our chart of depreciation is TA01. You should maintain these all things in the Excel sheet also, so that if you forget it, so you can take the help of your Excel sheet and continue. Like TA01, chart of depreciation TA01 not defined. So it might, we have given another name. So press F4 key and see the list what the chart of depreciation which we have created for our move down and find your chart of depreciation. Here we have created the chart of depreciation is Tata. COD for Tata. Double click on it. So now give your chart of depreciation and continue. Now here you need to select your account determination. Now double click on it. First select, battery is low. First select your chart of account, then double click on account determination. Here you need to find your account determination which you have created in a previous video. Find your chart of depreciation determination. Click on position and find your account determination. Like we have created this building account determination. Here, this one we have created. Chart of account is Tata, and for building asset class we have created this chart of depreciation. So select your account determination and continue. Now you can see it is your account determination. Now under this account determination, you need to assign the GL accounts. Select your account determination in which you want to assign the GLs. So now double click on balance sheet account. In this option, we will assign the GLs for a balance sheet account. Like first your chart of depreciation, chart of account, account determination, and depreciation area is first, that is book depreciation. It means your net book value. So under this you have to assign the GLs. First is acquisition account assignment. Under this first one, acquisition, accuse and production cost. It means your gross block GL. So here you have to assign your gross block GL which we have created earlier. Press F4 key and assign your gross block GL. Find your gross block GL. Here you can see this gross block of building. So double click on it. So we have assigned this gross block GL here, and in a second column you will get the retirement account assignment. Here you need to assign the retirement GLs which we have created for a building. This we have created for all assets. So first is loss made on asset retirement. So here you need to assign the GL loss on asset. So press F4 key, press enter and find here your GL, that is loss on asset. Here you can see loss on asset sale. So double click on it. Next is clearing account revenue from asset sale. Press F4 key and here assign the GL, that is clearing GL for asset which we have created earlier. Here asset clearing account, double click on it. Then next is gain from asset sale. So again press F4 key and here you need to select the GL which is profit from asset sale. These GL we have created in a previous video. Double click on it, profits on asset sale. Next is loss from asset sale. Again you need to select your loss from asset sale GL. So like this you need to assign the GLs. This is for a balance sheet account GLs. Now next step is click on this depreciation. Now here you need to assign the GLs for a depreciation. First is ordinary depreciation account assignment. In a first column you will see accumulated depreciation account for ordinary depreciation. So press F4 key. Enter. So first you need to assign the accumulated depreciation GL for a building. Double click on it. Next is expense account for ordinary depreciation. Now assign here, press F4 key. Here we will assign the GL for a ordinary expenses GL, ordinary depreciation GL, which we have created earlier, ordinary depreciation GL, this one. So in a similar manner, you need to assign GLs for special depreciation account assignment. Again, first we will assign the GL for a accumulated depreciation. In a next column, you need to assign GL for ordinary depreciation. In the same manner, you need to assign the GLs here also, accumulated depreciation, then expense account, it means your ordinary depreciation. Press F4 key. First we will assign accumulated depreciation and then ordinary depreciation. So like this you have assigned the GLs for your depreciation here, and in a balance sheet account you have assigned all the balance sheet GLs. Now click on save. Continue. Continue. Now data was saved. So in a similar manner, for each account determination, means for each asset class you have to create each account determination, and in this step you need to select one by one all account determination, and under this all account determination you need to assign the GLs. For first you need to assign GLs for balance sheet accounts, and then you need to assign the GLs for depreciation. Like we have assigned the GLs for building, so in a similar manner you need to assign the GLs for each asset class. Now we will get back. So we have completed this assignment of GLs. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. In our next video, we will continue the configuration of asset accounting. Till then, take care. Goodbye.